నమస్కారం అండి. మాటే మంత్రం. ఈ ఈ వీడియోలో నేను ఒక సాధారణ విషయం, మన జీవితంలో జరిగేటువంటి విషయం గురించి చాలామంది గమనించకపోవచ్చు, కొంతమంది గమనించి ఉండవచ్చు కూడా. సో అటువంటి ఒక చిన్న విషయం గురించి ఈ వీడియోలో తెలియజేయాలనుకుంటున్నా. ఐ జస్ట్ వాంటెడ్ టు టెల్ యూ అబౌట్ ఎ ఫ్యూ థింగ్స్ విచ్ వీ డూ ఎవ్రీ డే ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్, బట్ వీ డోంట్ పే మచ్ అటెన్షన్. So I wanted to bring this to the knowledge of common people so that they will be aware of doing the things when they are going and actually doing the things. Now just please have a look at this clearly. So now you can see that this is a shampoo packet. You can see it is Head and Shoulder. You can see that this is a Head and Shoulder. Okay, so this is a Head and Shoulder shampoo, but if you see the color is green in color. Now you see this is also Head and Shoulder shampoo sachet. Now you can see this is a pink color, and now you can see there is another Head and Shoulder shampoo sachet in my hand. So this is orange in color. Now you can see three varieties of Head and Shoulder are available. Three varieties of Head and Shoulder shampoo sachets are available in the market. So these are designated with three different colors. They are designated with three different colors. So one is green, pink, orange. So what is the difference? How many of you know the difference of these colors? How many of you have actually observed the difference in these colors? So if you see, the green color is Basic Cool. It is written as Basic Cool. Meer chodachu, all of you can see here that it is written as Basic Cool. And see here, this is Basic Clean. It is written as Basic Clean. You can see it is written over the sachet. Then the pink color is for Basic Smooth. It is for Basic Smooth. You can see here this is written as Basic Smooth. So three colors are designating three different works. You know, usually we buy this Head and Shoulder shampoo for anti-dandruff reason. So it is an anti-dandruff shampoo, means which removes dandruff from the head hair. So for that matter we use this Head and Shoulder, but it is coming in three different colors with three different purposes. మూడు రకాలైనటువంటి పనులు చేయటం కోసం, శుభ్రతలు అంటే మన తలని జుట్టుని శుభ్రపరచుకునేటప్పుడు మూడు రకాలైనటువంటి పర్పస్ల కోసం ఈ మూడు రకాలైనటువంటి షాంపూల్ని మూడు రకాల రంగులతోటి తయారు చేయడం జరిగింది. సో బేసిక్ కూల్ గ్రీన్ కలర్లో ఉంది. చూస్తే మీరు తర్వాత అయినా మీ దగ్గర ఉంటే తర్వాత తెచ్చుకున్నప్పుడు ఒకసారి గమనించండి. సో బేసిక్ కూల్, you will get a cool kind of feeling after you take a head bath. So whenever you feel headache or some drowsiness, in that case if you use this Basic Cool shampoo, you will get a kind of relief, and you get cool kind of feeling after the head wash with this kind of shampoo. And coming to the pink color, you can see this is for Basic Smooth. So it will give you a very smooth nature to your hair, and it looks different, kind of silky I am saying. Okay, so for that purpose you need to use this kind of shampoo. Then orange color Head and Shoulder shampoo is for Basic Clean. You can see here it is written as Basic Clean. So this gives you a basic clean purpose, and cool feeling will be coming with a green color Head and Shoulder shampoo sachet, and with the pink color you will get a smooth. So do you know the actual importance of these shampoos while you are using? So how many of you know about this? సో మీలో ఎంతమంది ఈ విషయాన్ని గమనించి కరెక్ట్ షాంపూని తీసుకొచ్చుకొని వాడుకుంటున్నారు? మనం షాప్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు Head and Shoulder షాంపూ ఇవ్వండి అని అడుగుతాం, వాళ్ళు ఏదో ఒక శాచెట్ ఇస్తారు. సో మనకి ఏ శాచెట్ కావాలి అనేది తెలుసుకొని మీలో ఎంతమంది వాడుతున్నారు? సో హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ నో అబౌట్ దిస్ యాక్చువల్లీ, అండ్ యు ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఇట్, యు ఆర్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ ఇట్. I think that many of us don't pay much attention for these things. And you think that, and even the shopkeeper says that, sir, all three are head and shoulder, you can use it, anything works, serve your purpose. సో అన్నీ పని చేస్తే అన్నీ ఒకేలాగా ఉంటాయని చెప్తారు. బట్ యూ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ యూ నీడ్, what actually you need and what you want, you must know and you must practice it. So this all comes by observation, so I request everybody to go and observe each and everything that you are using in your home for your daily requirements, or even for any requirement, whatever the things you are buying, please read the things that are written on the cover carefully and try to understand and make use of the benefit. I hope all of you have understood. Now just think about yourself, how many of you are observing all these things in your day to day life and following. Thank you, and Mate Mantram. Thank you.